Right, something different today. Here in my garage, prepping both cars for the Spocom Show here in Anaheim. And the biggest chore today is siphoning out fuel. Now, they require you to have quarter tank on both cars, or any car I guess you bring, and motorcycles. So I bought one of these fuel cans from Pep Boys. This one's a 5-gallon tank. And I also got one of these multi-purpose transfer pump. So I'm gonna siphon out the fuel from both cars and then kind of stick it in my Integra because I think I'm low on fuel there. Oh, quick update on the monkey build. We got this fancy Akrapovic exhaust. Check that out. Carbon too. Super badass. And new ASV levers installed the other day. So the biggest chore today is siphoning out gas from both cars. And as you can see, I got my car on blocks at the moment because I was working on the exhaust system last night. Now I had a Fab Speed Super Cup exhaust, which is basically a straight pipe with a resonator. But I also have a set of straight pipes from Fab Speed that I had, I don't know, 2 years ago. And I installed it once for SEMA and it was ridiculously loud. So I took it off because you need earplugs to drive the car with it. But since we're going to this show, I think I'm just gonna pop it on, or I already did pop it on, you see it there, and run it for a while. Shouldn't be too bad. Sounds freaking crazy though. Like a freaking race car. And here it is. Check out this fitment though. No rubbing, no issues. I had a bump and it went.
Toyo.
Seven o'clock here at Spocom. Nana's drinking beer as usual. I'm here just patrolling because of little kiddos and guys who touch cars.